In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Stitch to Google Antigravity with MCP. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your Stitch. So I'm in here in my account, and then you want to go to Docs, top right here. And when you click on Docs here on the left, you can see a few things. You want to go to where it says Setup and Authentication. So click on it here under MCP, and then you want to scroll down a bit and look for Antigravity, okay? So over here, if you scroll down, there we go, we have the Antigravity. Now, the first thing we're going to have to do is actually copy this part over here, okay? So just basically copy this to clipboard, and the first part is now done. Now, what you then have to do is the following. Of course, we're going to have to get the API key, but I'm going to show you this in a second so we don't have to copy things twice. And then you want to open up Antigravity. You want to open up your agent over here on the right. You want to go to the top right where you can see additional options, and you want to click on MCP servers. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply by going to Manage MCP servers, and then from here you can click on View Raw Config. Now, when you do this here, it's going to open up these MCP config.json over here. You can just delete everything that's in here, okay, just like this, and then you can go ahead and basically paste in this specific thing over here, as you can see, okay? And in here, we're going to add our API key. So to do this, we have to go back into Stitch. So when you're inside Stitch, you want to go back on your home page here, not in Docs, there we go. And from here, go to the top right, click on your profile, and go into Stitch settings. Scroll down, at the bottom it says API key, just click on Create Key, wait for a few seconds for the API key to generate, and then you'll be able to see it down here under API keys, just like this. Then click on this copy button yet again to actually copy your API key. Go back here inside your Antigravity and then just paste it in here, okay? Make sure you actually put it in here and you leave these quotation marks at the corners. And whenever you've done that, this is basically all you have to do. So you have to save this. I'm going to press Control S. There we go. It's going to save. Once you have successfully saved it, you want to go back to where it says Manage MCP, top left, and you want to click on this refresh button. And now you should be seeing something like this. So we have Stitch over here, and then it says like configure, stuff like that, okay? So to actually check if this works, you could go and ask this agent over here on the right. So just go back to your agent by clicking this button up here, and you can just ask it, for example, can you tell me which projects I have in Stitch, okay, for example, like this, and there we go. It's now showing me the only project I have inside Stitch over here, which means I've successfully connected my Stitch account to Google Antigravity. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.